January 15th, 2024. Mass Central at Warren Road. Coming northbound into where? Those are cops, just so you know, but they are coming. Sorry for the shaky video. Got no tripod today, forgot to bring it with me, so we're just gonna deal with the phone, and hopefully you won't mind my shiveriness, sorry. So, yeah. And here come the beasts, if you can hear them. Zoom in. Yeah, it's a little shaky, but it's like 20 degrees out now. It's gonna be 30 degrees later today. So, trying my best to keep it still, guys. And here they come. Here those GP38-2s roll. Boxcars with paper and gondolas with recycling. Got a Corvette here as well that fills up with plastic pellets. And it looks like it's a long train today. It looks like they're going to Barrie. Looks like there's no salt today, but that's okay. Looks like one of the service folks are also there. Alright, come to the yard. We're here at Ware Yard. They ain't going to Barrie today, but it's nice to see them in the snow. gotta try this angle sometime more. Well, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, so, because that'll be it, because the phone's gonna die and whatnot, so yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed. Have a great freaking day. Goodbye.